Sometimes people think that playing the piano is hard and takes many years, so they miss out on learning the love of music. But you can play along with me today and start simply with just 3 notes. Let's start down here on our A. We'll call that number 1. We're going to go number 1, number 2, number 3, and hold. We'll do that again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and hold. Number 3, number 2, number 3, hold, 3 again, down to 2, down to 1. Now let's add some right hands easily over the top. Let's call our C here number 1 this time. So now we'll play our 1s together, our 2s together, our 3s, hold. Again, 1, 2s, 3s, and hold. 3s, 2s, 3s, hold. 3s, 2s, 1s, and hold. Now we're going to step it up again and let's put a pulsing heartbeat in the right hand. So 1, right, 2, right, 3, right, right, right. 1, right, 2, right, 3, right, right, right. 3, right, 2, right, 3, right, right, right. 3, right, 2, right, 1, right, right, right. Now let's throw in a top A above in our right hand. So in slow motion it'll be 1A, 1A, 2A, 2A, 3A, 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 3A again. Now 3s, 3A, 3A, 2A, 2A, 3A. 3s, 2s, 1s. Let's put it all together. When we're playing single notes, let's creep from finger to finger as we go up. So relax the other fingers and make each finger do their own job. As we play together, let's do little gentle bounces with our wrist. Now with the right hand wrist, we can think of doing little bounces. As we add the top A, we're going to think of a little twisting or rotation movement going from our thumb and flicking over to our A and back again. So in slow motion, it'll be 1A, 1A, 2A, 2A, 3A, 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 3A again. Enjoy your playing and happy music making.